Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong bat kara karong.
Ibang iyo, menta kasni kilong hispa nreo. Nagini hispa nreo pusaw kede na po East Castle Hills. Arfun reo nakini arfun reo kede ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, live fry kede kiwe. East Janta Hills, live, Ribhoi District, live, West Castle Hills, Khan reo, North Garo Hills, Iwe, West Garo Hills, Khandai, live kede ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Nreo na kiwe. But South Garo Hills, Shipho na ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces. Ki case barok menta ki balong active kelum lang ki long shihajar shispa lai fulai. Na kini nyong spa arfulai ki dalam hapo East Castle Hills. Pada kini nyong spa arfulai Aspa Andrepunyo, Kidane po ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces. South Pa Sanfun Rio, Kidane Kiwe. West Castle Hills, South South. Southwest Castle Hills, Iwe. Ribhoi, Khandai Pusau. Nakini Khandai Pusau. Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Kidane Arfun Rio. But kiwe Ndre Fufra. West Janta Hills Lai, East Janta Hills Katsao, West Garo Hills Aspa Arfulai. Pada kini ki Aspa Arfulai, Hispa Sarfundre kini ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, nyo na kiwe. Southwest Garo Hills South Garo Hills Qatar. Pada kini Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces kini Shipho, but kiwe kilong ha. East Garo Hills Lai, North Garo Hills Qatar. Kibala government takasi kilong nyo. Iwe na North Garo Hills, na Ribhoi. Iwe na po East Janta Hills, but Lai na po East Castle Hills. Menemen miet idan way ibakhlak, but ibakhlak mentar kita poi ado pra. Kapa kiba la recover baru mentar kilom news pa news real. Ini ki case kiba kemai kiba ngiyo sispa real. Kilom kumne kat kum break up. East Castle Hills, Ndre Pusau, Arfun Rio, Kidane Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Ndre Kidane ki contact, jump positive case, na po Kamakya Compound, Anjali, Khatsao Kidane ki high risk contact, Iwe returning, Khatsan kidai ki contacts jong ki positive case arut. Iwe idai iba sambar hapo mati. But iwe pada idai I nopang ibadan hapo negrums. Ribhoi Lai kidai ki high risk contact, but iwe idai returning. West Garo Hills, Khandai, Lai ide na ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Iwe ide na po random sampling na po Fulbari, but Iwe random sampling na po Jendo Para. Iba Clark manda kasi. Ide Iwe, perke kerteng dalam ini. Kerteng ini Maheshwar Pratap Chobe Kapasal Sengerta Senrang Shong Masak buat Kila Bazar area Advent ko Tura Civil Hospital haka khatha tarik August 2004 but Klado haka atlay tarik August 2004 haka por Khat South Sun Minister Clark Nakadaw Kamiyong acute respiratory distress syndrome with COVID-19 with ischemic heart disease, hypertension, diabetes, epilepsy, bronchial asthma.
Kani kediga bati CTV mat pidang pek yaki khubor ba mankasni belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong bat kara karong